Cheesy baked tortilla rolls, crispy on top, creamy in the middle, all in one pan, spiced chicken at 2 sauces finish, and a trick that changes everything. So, let's get into it. We're starting with about 2 pounds of chicken breasts cut into strips. Into the bowl add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, then 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and a mix of spices. I will use salt, black pepper, cumin, paprika, dried coriander, cardamom, and some ginger. You will find all the ingredients listed in the description box. Finish with the juice of 1 lemon. Here's a tip for you, the yogurt here is not just for a flavor, it keeps the chicken tender while those spices work their way in. Mix everything really well until the chicken is fully coated. Now let's start cooking while that marinates. A little olive oil in a deep pan over medium heat, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and 2 onions, all thinly sliced. Cook these for about 10 minutes until they soften. This casserole is so versatile, so feel free to use any vegetables you enjoy most or simply whatever you have on hand. We're all about simple and easy recipes here. Now here's a trick for you. Once the vegetables soften, push them to the sides and add the chicken right into the center. Do not stir right away. If your pan is not hot enough, the chicken will steam instead of sear. You want to hear the sizzle immediately. Letting it set helps it develop that beautiful golden color. After about 5 to 8 minutes, mix everything together and continue cooking until the chicken is fully cooked through. Give it a taste test and adjust the salt and black pepper to your liking. If you want some heat, this is the moment. You can add chili powder or chili flakes. Now you just want the chicken to cook down until it is perfectly tender. And do not rush this part. You want the chicken to have that melt in your mouth texture inside the rolls. So letting it cook slowly in all those spices really makes a difference. Now just like that, we are done. You might think now, how will we assemble these? But there's actually one simple trick that changes everything. So let me show you. Grab your tortillas and a kitchen scissors. We're trimming off the rounded edges on the sides, just like this. This is important because if you don't trim them, the rolls can end up empty on the sides and they won't sit evenly. It literally takes 30 seconds, but it makes a big difference. For the creamy sauce, half a cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of pepper paste, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and the juice of half a lemon. This simple. Whisk it together until smooth. This sauce goes inside the rolls and it keeps everything rich and creamy. Now here's something I have not shown you yet. There's a second sauce. Just a teaspoon of pepper paste, a teaspoon of ketchup, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a quick mix, and that is it. The creamy one goes inside for richness and this goes on top for that golden bubbly crust you saw at the beginning. One sauce inside, one on top, and that is the secret. Now we're almost done. Grab your casserole, spread half of the red sauce on the bottom of your casserole dish, and add more oil if you want. This prevents sticking and adds flavor underneath everything. I'm just adding half because the other half will go on top of the tortillas and it's going to be so delicious. I'm done with that. I'll start working on the tortilla rolls. Spread some of the creamy sauce over the tortilla. Just look at that bright orange color. Now add some of the chicken and veggie filling and be generous here. Then top it with mozzarella and cheddar cheese because one cheese is never enough. You can use whatever cheese you have on hand, you just want something that is melty and something that has flavor and texture. Roll it up tightly and place it seam side down in your casserole dish. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to give this video a like. Now spread the rest of the red sauce over the top. Every roll gets coated and finish with a generous layer of mozzarella into a preheated oven at 400 for about 30 minutes. This is exactly what comfort food is. Look at that crust. Golden, bubbly, and crispy on top, but creamy and tender inside. And honestly, it is genuinely simple. You can make this any night of the week. If you love this, you will love my creamy chicken pasta bake even more. I'll put it right here. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.